Hey guys, they say traveling makes one modest. You see what a tiny place occupy in this world. And just like all the great travelers, I have seen more than I can remember. And I remember more than I have seen. So guys, welcome to Domingo TV Tours channel. We are at Lake Elementaita Nature. So welcome guys, let's see the place.
Yes, my people, we are at Lake Elementaita Resort, and we want to introduce you to one of those executive rooms that you can visit, you can have fun in, and it is an opportunity for you to know what the world has out there. You just don't stay at home and think that you have the very best of the places that you have ever traveled. So I want to give you an overview of what an executive room will hold. It will give you, and this is one of them. Wow, the place is fantastic. It has what everyone would need for vacation. The seats are very nice, very wonderful. Wow, wow, wow. Look at the bed. Very perfect for executive treatment. And I would say this is where you need to be. One place. Wow. Elementaita is the place to be. Look at it. They have what we call as a bathtub. In its own way, is a very unique place whereby it has what we call as uniqueness. Even the artwork of what they have done with the piecework is very fantastic, and we are very grateful of what it has. I see they also have what we everything is very unique. African made, you can see the woodwork is perfect with whatever they are doing. The bed, wow, what can you say? This is home away from home. Welcome to Lake Elementaita Resort for such an amazing time.
Yo people, in Dawnmingle Tours and Travels, we also do bonfire activities. Here at Lake Elementaita Nature Resort, we have a bonfire place. In this bonfire, we share business ideas, what we're going to plan for the next trip, and also we normally play #Kenyan music. At Dawnmingle Tours and Adventure, also we don't forget our clients in our stomach areas. At Lake Elementaita Nature Resort, we have the best place for choma zone, barbecue spot, and also bonfire. And this is the place.
Dawnmingle Tours, here again. We are still at Elementaita Lodge. I want to introduce you to a manyatta. If you follow me. Yay! You can see how beautiful it is. Look at the seats. Look at the counter. Look at what we have here. Wow! What a wonderful place. So nice. So nice. Lovely. Aha. From the Manyata, we go up, 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 up. Step by step to a shrine. You can see the shrine here, over here. This is the Elementaita shrine. You can see how beautiful this place is. Look at the elephants. There's the elephant. There's the elephant. Here down. And this is what? The giraffe. Himself. Lovely. Wonderful place. And the place to be. Dawnmingle Tours is here. All for you.
Concentration is the game, keep the rhythm if you can.
Concentration is the game, keep the rhythm if you can. Kashukia, ngomi.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Again, we introduce to you Dawnmingle. And these are the sweet moments that you will have when you join us at as our team building. We do so much more to make sure that your body is left fit. And again, in this beautiful place, Lake Elementaita, nature, Pebbles. This is they have the best ground for that, and that is why we are looking forward for more of our clients to come to this place to enjoy the same that we are doing. And this is the best place that you can ever have. Make use of the money. They let you use every coin that you paid for, the services that you have. And the weather and the climate is very suitable for such activity, for team building. So keep in touch as we get to you with more activities of the team building. Yes, my people, hatujasahau watoto. As you know, those are the basic people that we look at when it comes to enjoyment. And at Lake Elementaita, this place, we said it is bomb. And why is it bomb? For children, they have activities that they can enjoy the whole day. And you have nothing to worry about because they are well taken care of and they have people to look at them. Like this, what we call as the trampoline, where your child can spend the whole day and enjoying the amazing weather of Lake Elementaita as they get to enjoy. Hata kukuja na watoto wangapi usishtuke, they will be catered for. There are several of them here, the children, and why not for me ni enjoy tu kidogo tu uone what it entails.
The babies, they're well sorted. The cars, wow. It feels nice to be on this car. Very nice. There. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Gota. Usikiaje? Keeping fit. Leta maji.
5 minutes later.
No, 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 no.
Hiyo ilikuwa appetizer.
Don't mingle.
Watu ni moto.
Tunafanya.
Hiyo ilikuwa appetizer.
Ile itachosha.
These people have finished. Ngomi, ona mafuta kwa mdomo. Mjonto. Ugali ni kama nini? Particle.
Kama sweet.